A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. All the admirings and praises goes to our Creator, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. After paying thanks to my father because of whom I'm here, I would like to pay thanks to Sir Syed Shahid Khan just because of whom I'm standing in front of you. Guys, the line I'm holding tonight is how can we stop ourselves? There is no need to place a logic behind the line, but a simple addition should be. How can we stop ourselves from unwanted desire, extra expenses, and things which are hazardous and harmful to us for a happy life? Similarly, I want to say that a guy, you can consider me as well. If I'm a layman, a lenient guy who wants everything, definitely if a sweeper is there, he wants to marry Aishwarya Rai. But in dream, there is no rule, there is no limit. But according, he has to manage his life according to his salary, according to his income. So if he dreams, it's okay. Now if he expends according to his income, that yeah, I'm having this thing and I have to do expenditures are like this. So it could be a simple and quite happy life. If I wanted to be a legend, but definitely I'm not having a guts and a power to follow the legend. The legends are not the laymen, they are like icebergs, just having a small tip over the water and having a large like mountain under the water. They are like a hand pump, just 4 feet on the ground and the 40 feet inside the ground. So be like, if I want to be like a 4 feet on the ground, I can be. But if somebody can just kick and here I goes. But if I want to be or be my just strong my roots as 40 feet, I cannot. And if I can, it will need a lots of effort. So similarly, I just want to advise you and firstly myself also that if I will just, I or we just stop these extra expenses and these stop foolish thinkings, we will be live happy life. There is no need to inspire by anyone.
Yeah, you are saying that you know what, we should not see the dream and we should not see this that. You know what, our great teacher said that you know what, everybody has a champion on his own heart. So same like that. If you will see the dream, so definitely we will do efforts same like that. You know what, if you talk about Fedor, he used to do training in a boxing club. Then he was also poor guy. If he wouldn't have seen the dream that yeah, I will enjoy my luxurious life. So what do you think? Will he become? No. If you talk about Shahbaz Zada, he was also a poor guy, but he inspired by the Fedor, that food. Now the people are recalling his name. But if you will not inspire by someone, so whether it would be hard to be a champion.
And I will stay this program just for 40 seconds.